Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do watch, subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Will love you. So, in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can sell your feet pictures and videos and get paid or make money online. Now, a lot of us don't know that there are people that value feet, like just seeing your feet image. There are a lot of people that value it. You understand? Now, let me give you an instance. There was a time I had a friend in Nigeria, or I had a friend back then before he relocated abroad, and the guy was just like, he loves seeing ladies' feet. And I was like, I don't understand. Why would you love to see a lady's feet? And it was like, somehow in his body, he just loves it and he appreciates it. So I was like, wow, that's cool. I've not really heard about that, but recently I discovered this website that pays people to sell their feet pictures. It doesn't matter whether you are a Nigerian, a Togolese, someone from the States, someone from Canada, someone from New York. Now you can come on this website and sell your feet pictures. You understand? And it is quite easy. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? I will make content about how to make money and get paid from anywhere you are in the world. And also, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? Our Telegram channel is filled with superb content. I mean it. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, please hit the description box and join the Telegram channel using the link there. So as you can see, this particular legs looks like the legs of a black person, like the feet of someone that is black. So it is not really only white people that are on this website. This one looks like the white feet. This one looks like someone that is white, but this particular one also looks like someone with a dark skin color. Sometimes, this website gets tricky, but there's a trick at the end of this video that will allow them to accept you easily and fast without even knowing. So let's just read a few things and how much you can earn on this particular website. Let's see this. Now, you don't even need to put real details of you because they are really concerned about your privacy. Now, some of you go online and you chat with people that you don't know and you send them pictures of you there and there. But then again, now there is a way that you can make money with just your feet, just selling pictures of your feet. So as you can see, this particular lady that sells the pictures of her feet with a chain, the only thing she did was she cleaned up her feet, she fixed nails, and she wore a leg chain. So for you to unlock this particular feat, you have to pay $20. As you can see, $20 to unlock the particular feat. And if you really like our pictures, like our feet pictures, you can tip her any amount that you want. You understand? You can tip her any amount that you want. So let's browse content. Like, for you to have ideas, now you know that you can sell a particular picture for $20. Like, just get a good camera, get a good leg style, get a good way to place your leg, and then snap your pictures, and then you get paid. So let's see a few samples of the type of pictures that are accepted on this particular website, like the type of feet pictures that are accepted on this particular website. So this particular lady, this one, in fact, this one is just a normal leg, just tattooed, and she's charging people for this fit, which you can as well do. This particular cute long toes, you don't even need to write a lot of information about yourself. So this particular one, I think she has sunscreen on her leg. Just simple fit pictures. This particular lady, normal fit pictures. This particular one has scarf in between her legs. They are just normal fit pictures that you can make money from and get paid. So now let's just go through the content. Let's go through their Q&A sections for you to see how much. It says create your profile in just a few minutes. Now the profile is simple. You input your name, you input your password, you input your Gmail, and you're done. The next one is you share your profile and be visible to all our buyers. Now, you don't need a marketplace. Now, their website is already a marketplace. They have people that love to see your feet on their website. So they just upload it for you. there. But for them to upload it, there is a clause. You understand? There is a clause. You have to pay, I think maybe like $10 or $9. I can't remember, for them to upload your feet on their website. So that is the clause. Now that $10 is not monthly. It's for I think like 3 or 6 months. So for like 3 to 6 months, you have access to be uploading unlimited pictures of your feet, standing in different directions, snapping in different direction. I tell you, if you can at least start uploading 2 or 3 pictures of your feet in a day for 3 months, there is no way you will not make sales. There is no way you will not sell out, because there is this lady on TikTok that made a video. Please listen to this video. 350,000. I'm sorry, what? Dang, there's no way. I upload my pictures. Upload your feet pics? Crazy. I sell pictures on my feed. Then you're making 300K. How much do you make a month? 30K a month on a good month. 30 pics. To get 300, 400K? Where'd you do that? On Fun with Feet. Yeah, so guys, like I said I'll be sharing with you guys a few secrets of how to make more sales on this website. So here is what you have to do. You need to download a working VPN. You can use VPN like this Tuber VPN, just a VPN with a lot of reviews and download on Play Store would do. So you can use this type of VPN, Tuber VPN or any other VPN that is free. The VPN is actually free. So you can change the location of the VPN depending on anyone that you want. So now you use the VPN to register, and anytime you want to upload your feet picture under this thing, you can use your VPN to to upload your feet pictures. Then your location, you can change it to any American whatever you want. Maybe you can use New York or New Jersey or anyone that you want. Hello. So that is basically how you can multiply your earnings on selling your feet pictures. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Do what, subscribe to our channel, like this video and share our video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.